motorcycle helmets are getting a high-tech upgrade, and it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for all the tech news. Shoei, one of the world's top helmet makers, has teamed up with French tech company iLights to unveil the GT-Air 3 Smart, a full-face helmet with a built-in head-up display that puts crucial riding stats right in your line of sight. No more squinting at your phone or dashboard for speed and navigation. Even incoming calls appear subtly in the upper right corner of your vision, keeping your eyes safely on the road. Unlike bulky VR systems, the iLights HUD is sleek and minimalist, showing only what you need without blocking your view. And it doesn't stop there. The GT-Air 3 Smart comes loaded with in-helmet audio, a microphone for phone calls, intercom capabilities for group rides, and a 10-hour battery, making your helmet into a full-on riding command center. But this cutting-edge tech comes with a price tag. In Europe, the GT-Air 3 Smart is priced at €1,199, nearly double the €779.99, which is the starting price of the standard GT-Air 3. It's available in 5 sizes and 5 colors, so riders can still find a style that fits, though the classic GT-Air 3 offers a wider range of graphics. The helmet's dual visor system is an outer shield for protection, and a drop-down sun visor is the perfect stage for the HUD. While it's unclear when or if the smart helmet will hit US or not, for riders ready to embrace the future, Shoei's GT-Air 3 Smart is here for a thrilling ride where technology meets the open road. Do you want to try this bad boy? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.